Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Now, we're doing another video on my garage door. Now, if you've seen my videos on my garage door, I changed the springs, I changed the cables, I greased everything. I mean, I did a lot of work. I changed the main belt and the drive. I did so many things. So yesterday when I came home, I opened the garage door and I went to close it and it wouldn't close. Why? Because the sensor was acting up. Now I couldn't get the sensor to work. I cleaned the lens, I cleaned all around it, I did all kinds of stuff, and it kept on going on and off, and the garage wouldn't close. So I had to manually close it. So I went online this morning and ordered some replacement parts. I ordered the original factory ones, and then I went online and said, why am I going to spend $65 and change those when I can get them basically an aftermarket one for a third of the price, so for $25. So I canceled that one. I ordered the next best thing, which was compatible with the system, which was $28, whatever, 26 bucks delivered. And then I said to myself, interesting. And I want to show you something that I found out this morning. I said there had to be something else I just was missing. And the most obvious thing I miss, and you probably might too, is what? What do you think it may be? Think for a second, leave some comments down below before I go ahead and show you what I found. Always check the wires. One of the wires actually just rusted off or broke off or corroded off. That's what happened. So it was sitting inside shaking and making a bad connection, and I thought it was the sensor. So common thing, fix that. Really, really easy. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to strip it off. I'm going to show you how I'm going to just reconnect it, and you're going to see it's going to work. So don't be afraid to take out all the crap in the corner and all the dirt and all the dust. I cleaned it all out and find possibly a corroded wire. Simple fix, couple of minutes of your time, no money spent. Real easy. Let's clean this up and get it connected and see how it works. Okay, so the issue I'm having is that because this is really, really tight how they did this. This is wrapped around here. So I need to unwrap at least one set of wires. So I'm going to disconnect both wires, okay? And we're just going to, this one here that doesn't have the connector on it will go on the green. And the one with the wire will go on the red. All right. Not much wire left on these things at all. Actually, both of them are kind of low. That's strange, but okay. Let me just move this around here. It's nice that they give you some extra wire, which is cool. All right. They're both in rough shape. So this one here, on the red, is a little tiny wire. And this one here is all gone. You can see it's missing. So let's see. They have a cap here. There's the cap. That's the cap here. I'm going to put the cap back on there. So let's put this one on the green one here. On the red. Let's hook this one back up. And these wires are like so thin, like there's hardly anything there at all. It's ridiculous. Like they hardly give you any wire. I'm just going to strip those back just a little bit. Just get a little bit more wire. It just is so thin. It's ridiculous. And these wires are really thin, so they come off really easy. Just strip it back a little bit, just like that. There we go. So we'll just tie these reds together. These three here will go together. Now, I like to twist them personally to get them tightened up and together. The old wires. And we're just going to reconnect this. It should connect no problem. Just twist these together again. Hopefully it'll work. Shouldn't be an issue. It's so tight. Get in there. All right. All right. And let's see what's happening here. All right. We have a red light. It's back on. You can see here. I'll break the beam with my hand. There's a light. Break the beam. The light. Break the beam. The light. So just going to secure those wires. That's pretty much all you have to do. Just make sure they're on there really good. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and just fix this up and finish it up. But that's pretty much what the problem was. It kept on flicking and flicking and flicking because the wire was just loose and losing connection. So before you go ahead and replace them, check the wires, guys. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I brought you some value. Go ahead and hit that like button. I appreciate it. This garage has been nothing but a pain in the butt since I've been doing it. So hope you enjoy all the other videos about this garage. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.